Hi, I'm Bob with ESN Prep College Matchpoint, your summer planning experts. What really matters in summer activities? Number one, focus on authenticity. Encourage your team to pursue activities they'll genuinely enjoy and are passionate about rather than selecting something they think will look good to a college. Tip number two, show depth over breadth. Help your team focus on sustained involvement in one or two meaningful activities rather than trying to do everything at once. Depth shows commitment and growth. Tip number three, highlight initiative. Encourage your team to take the lead on a project that demonstrates leadership and problem solving skills. Admissions officers value self driven efforts. Remember, every team's journey is unique, and with the right summer plans, they can thrive. For more guidance and expert advice, visit us at collegematchpoint.com.